jurisdictions like New York and San Francisco.
What's up, you guys? So today I'm doing a bathroom tour. So I've edited some things. First of all, I did change the wall color. It was a pink, but I wanted a much lighter, softer shade of pink, so I repainted it. Okay, I got this vintage chinoiserie style painting here. I got this from Facebook Marketplace. The lamp from thrifting. The brass etagere from, I'm gonna shut the door. The vintage brass etagere I got from thrifting. A lot of this stuff I got from thrifting. I do collect vintage jewelry, so you'll see that all throughout. That's a vintage Avon collectible. That came from thrifting. I got that somewhere online. I just like Starburst mirrors, but it's small, so I just put it up there. This vintage little horse thing came from thrifting. Let's see. Then on this side of the bathroom, as you go further in, I got this fan here from thrifting. And I got a hell of a deal on it. I absolutely love it. I love the size of it. It's big. And I do want to change out this light fixture. I'm not really into it. And then, let's see, this abstract piece I've had for a long time, and I like the juxtaposition between these two. Let's see. This is a pink syngonium. I think it's so pretty here. And then I hung up this silk curtain here. And then I just kind of keep it swagged. And I actually did this like sticker. You can't really tell that well in the video. I don't know why some of my stuff, it looks blurry and stuff. I don't know if it's just the camera quality, but right here it's because I guess the backlight, I don't know, but I did to where it looks like it's like stained glass for privacy purposes, so I didn't ever have to close the curtain. And I have it about up to the ceiling and for drama, and it makes the ceiling feel taller and more grand. The vintage mirror came from thrifting. I love that you can see the chinoiserie painting and the reflection standing here. The lamp came from thrifting. The Asian style piece right here came from Facebook Marketplace, and then all the stuff on top came from thrifting and various sources like that. The little swans came from thrifting. Toilet paper, I guess the dollar store or somewhere like that. Let's see, what else? Okay, so on this side, got her from Facebook Marketplace, the 80s style lamp from thrifting. The portraits, which I've always been really into, came from thrifting, and the antique mirror. I was gonna paint it gold, but honestly, I like it like this. It provides some nice contrast. So it's like a dark gold, like sort of coppery, a little wood color, I guess, as you can see in the video. But yeah, I like the contrast between it and then like the gold pieces that I have, so I might leave it for now. I got this from thrifting. I have my lucite bar cart here. And I have that here for like beauty products, so that way I remember to do like my night cream and stuff like that. Some vintage perfume decanters. Yeah, I got that from thrifting. A vintage jewelry bag or box. Some more little antique mirrors, which I happen to collect. Oh, my sea salt, which I was hiding. But there it is. More thrifted stuff. This is a vintage mirror. It's like a vintage compact mirror. Oh, well, I can't get it with one hand, whatever. And then this little seashell thing, I think that's so pretty. I love the fact that it's iridescent. Over here on the vanity, excuse the water filtration, so stone to his life. Vintage mirror came from an estate sale, thrift store. I believe that's Carnival Glass thrift store. And then I painted the vanity like the same color as the wall, which I am digging. Let's see, and then on this side we have this antique mirror I got from an estate sale. I still need to take off this hinge. Okay, one day I'll get to it. But anyways, so yeah, I have this antique mirror that I got for a steal from an estate sale, and then it came with this little piece here, which is great if I ever want to scoot it up and like put extra like bath stuff, since my bath is like right across from it. But I just have more jewelry and like perfume samples, ashtray, which I don't smoke, but I do vape. So I may put my vape stuff in there, or just all it is an e-cig. So I'll just put that in there like if I'm taking a bath. So yeah, it's like an extra little table I can just like push to the side of where my bathtub is and like prop wine on or something like that. And so yeah, I think that about wraps up my whole bathroom, you guys. But yeah, I want to change out the chandelier. And so yeah, there's my bathtub. Just have few little bath products in there, not too much because I didn't want it too cluttered for the video. Plus I don't like it sitting out just because it feels cluttery to me, so I'm able to actually put extra bath stuff in this piece here. And extra toilet paper, stuff like that goes in there, or it goes in the vanity right there. So yeah, you guys, I guess that is about it for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.